Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to make your account private to public profile on your Instagram from your computer. So if you are just using on your private account, and you will get a less amount of likes. If you just need to change it to a page, or if you just need to make it as public profile, you can get more reach. Change the profile from the private to public on your Instagram from your computer. I'm just going to show, and if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So you can see my account is actually on the private account. So this private account followers to see their photos and videos. I just need to open it to the public account. So just do this option so your account will be on the public. So first, if I just open my account, just click on the status option and click on the setting option. Then you just need to go to the account privacy option here. Just click this. Then here you can see the private account is actually turned on when your account is in public, the public post, and you can see by anyone all of on Instagram, even if they don't have an Instagram account. When your account is private, only the followers you upload can see what you are sharing and include your photos and videos and hashtag and location and everything. So if you just put your account on private, your photos might be on search, still will be on the Google, also might be seen. So the public, to switch to the public account, you just turn this off, switch to the public account. Anyone can see the post sheets and whatever that they said, and click on the switch to public. Now your account has been switched to the public. So I just going to refresh this account, so you can see the changes. So it switches to the public account. You can see that my post has been viewing on the my another profile. This is how you just switch back to the private to public on your Instagram from your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.